Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. I have here very beautiful piece of Eiche, which is oak. In English, I think Christmas is coming, so what would be better Christmas gift than something self-made? I will make cutting boards out of this piece of wood. I think I can make about 4 of those. I've never done cutting boards before, so now it's time to start. I will start with the easiest way, which is this face grain cutting board. I also want to add some personal touch that is a little bit unique and special. I'm going to use this bit in my router. It's not the right kind of bit for this job, but that's the only one which is long enough because this board is so thin. Otherwise I can't go low enough. Okay, it's really not perfect. This other side is much smoother than this one. And here I did this mistake that I made it both ways. And that makes a difference. It's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. It's going to be good. Now it's getting interesting. I would like to make slots here with my router, and this router bit which I will use, it will make the slot a little bit like this. And then I will cut a piece of this wood. I will actually cut it half. I will also, with this router bit, cut these woods that I can slide these and glue it into this slot. And I don't know, is this going to work? My idea is that it would make this board a little bit special, and also it won't bend so easily after some time. I will try. That was the easy part. The hard part is to make these to fit inside the slots in the cutting board. First I will cut the slot all the way with the normal router bit, and then I will change it to this other one. I will change the bit to this one, and first I will do this side and then this other side. That's how you know that this bit is very high quality one. Okay, so far so good. I was a little bit worried about these slots and this fitting, but it went absolutely perfect. Next I will glue these in place. I'm not going to use any screws because this is quite tight fit, and I will just use, I think I will use glue which is food safe. As you can maybe see, there is a small gap between these woods, but luckily there is some kind of solution for that. I can already feel that these wood grains are coming back up. It's more rough. Now I will wait that it will dry, and then I will sand it again with 120. Okay, I think I could sand this forever. For me, that's enough. That's so smooth. Next, I will start to put some oil. Oh, no, not yet. Next, I will play with my CNC laser. I will carve or burn or whatever that's called with the laser. I'll burn my logo here. That's what I'm going to do next. Is it going to work? I don't know, but I hope it will work here because I think it would look good. this laser cut worked quite well. I'm quite happy about it. Maybe next time I will make 2 layers or even slower burning, so it will be a little bit more dark. It's fine. I like it. Next I will oil this board. This is some kind of shopping board oil. I bought this from Amazon a long time ago. I couldn't even find this anymore there. Luckily I found another option which is from our local shop, and that's good because I can just go there and buy this. I don't have to order anything. These are both food safe oils, which is of course important. I will first try to add this oil with my hands. Maybe it's better with the brush, but we will see. Yeah, it's much better with the brush. Next layers I will add with the brush. Okay, now there's 3 layers of oil and it's been now drying overnight. Now I will wipe away everything which is not soaked to this wood. And next thing what I'm going to do, I will add some wax. And that's the last layer what I'm going to do with this. And this time I'm going to use this kind of wood wax. I found it from Amazon. I will put the link to my this video description. But for me this is crazy expensive to order, so I think that's the last time that I'm going to order this one. Luckily I found a similar product which is a Holzbutter. That's also from Amazon, but for me it's much cheaper to order. This is actually a Swiss product here in Switzerland. It's easy to find. But for this one I will use this because that's already opened. I will add a layer of this and then I will let this dry a little bit and then I will polish it. So here it is, final product. How did I do? I think I did pretty well. I'm not going to use this board. I will save it as it is. I have still enough wood for 2 big ones or 3 small ones, and I will make those and I will give those as a Christmas gift. What did I learn? At least one thing what I learned, I need a better router bit, a little bit bigger one, that it's easier to make these boards even with my router sled. I'm also very happy about my decision to put these woods here. I hope that it would make this board stronger, that it won't bend after some time. Like this one, which I bought a few years ago from our shop, basic board, and that's how it is now. I can't really use this anymore, so I just have to throw this away. And thank you for watching this video, and consider to subscribe my channel if you haven't already. More projects are coming soon.